This video explains how you can connect your METTLER Toledo Industrial Ethernet Automated Precision Weighing products to a computer and perform the first measurement. The METTLER Toledo Industrial Ethernet Automated Precision Weigh modules are powered by Power over Ethernet (PoE). This means that communication and power delivery is happening through only one cable. You can choose to use either a PoE switch or a simple PoE injector. Both are widely available at online distributors. A compatible injector is also available as accessory from METTLER Toledo. For this video, we go with a PoE switch. To connect the Weigh modules, we use standard M12 to RJ45 cables. They connect the Weigh module to the PoE switch. From the PoE switch to the computer, we use a standard Ethernet cable together with a RJ45 to USB adapter, as this laptop does not have an RJ45 Ethernet port. First, we need to set the IP address of the RJ45 port, or our RJ45, to USB adapter to be in the range as the Weigh module. The IP address of the Weigh module can be found in the installation manual or on its product label. The installation manual also explains how to change the IP address of the RJ45 to USB adapter. Ensure the RJ45 port has a unique IP address within the same network range as the Weigh module and is not already used by another device. Open the latest APW-Link software. Type in the IP address of the Weigh module you want to connect, as well as the port number, and choose the previously defined IP address of your RJ45 port from the drop-down menu. Then click Next. After receiving the settings file, we see we can interact with the Weigh module, changing settings, making adjustments, or performing our first measurement. For example, in the Communications tab, you can change the IP address or port number of the Weigh module. Now we can make our first measurement.